Have you been looking for a product to grow your hair? I mean, a product that actually really works for hair growth. I introduce to you Arhgoat Batana oil butter. This hair butter is magic in a container. It comes in a butter form, but when you apply it on your palm, it literally melts and turns into oil. How do you use this? It's advisable to use it 2 to 3 times a week. You apply it on your palm, massage it until it turns into oil, then apply it on the scalp of your hair while you gently massage it into your hair and scalp. Then proceed to cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes for it to really soak in. When the timer is up, you remove it and then shampoo and wash your hair as you normally do, and voila, you're good to go. Repeat process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Thank you.